Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm William, and in today's video, I will show you how to load brushes into Photoshop. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. After you've opened your Photoshop work canvas, you want to click on brushes and select the brush preset to, click on settings, and then click on import brushes. What it does is that it opens a dialog where you can select where your brushes are stored. So for me, mine is stored on the desktop and then stored in the brushes folder. And then as you can see, I have like 4 files of brushes here. And I'll select the one I want to use and then open, click, and then select load. So I will just wait for the brushes to load. And then what I will do is that the brushes has actually been added to Photoshop. So as you can see here, is the last one here. And then I'll select it to see if it has actually worked. Yes, indeed it works. So that is how you load brushes into Photoshop. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel as it helps the channel grow and it helps YouTube to push the video as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next one.